In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix there was an error processing your order on Amazon shopping app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you are getting this order processing error on Amazon shopping app where you are told please click continue to go back to the previous page, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, you want to ensure that you have enough funds on your card before you process your order. You might be experiencing this because you don't have enough funds. For that, check your card and ensure everything is okay before you continue or you place your order again. But should this not be the case, then you can try troubleshooting your app to fix this. For that, just go to your app and access its app info page. You can access your app info page by long pressing on it, and you should see app info or a settings gear here, or even the name of the app. If you tap on it, you will access Amazon shopping app info page. Alternatively, you can just go to settings. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm on an Android smartphone, and this should be more or less the same on yours. So under settings, go to apps, and this will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. If you don't see your apps, go to manage apps or all apps to see all the apps you have on your phone. From here, search for your app by name, or if you can't see your app on this list, just tap on it to access the app info page. First, go to force stop app, and this will stop any background activities that might be hampering your purchase process. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache and okay. You can also go to clear data and clear all data here. And now here you'll need to restart your smartphone and then log in afresh because you'll be logged out of your account. And now head to your purchase page. Try to place your purchase or order. And this time around, when you try to make your purchase, now everything should go smoothly. So that's how you can fix purchase issue. But still, if this persists, then you want to check and ensure that there is no VPN turned on your phone or on your gadget, as this might be sending wrong signals that you are in another country. You'll need to turn off VPN before you can proceed and complete your purchase. Let me know which of these methods was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.